go in the store. Do 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 do. Hello. Hi. I need help with phones. Excuse me, can you help me with the phones?
Yeah.
Yeah? What phones do you have? Huh? Ma'am, you need to help me. Ma'am? Can you help me with phones? What do you have for sale? Can I see what plans you have? Show me the plans. Can you show me the plans? Is this your plans? Can I see it? Oh, you want me to get out, ma'am? You need to calm down. I'm just here to buy a phone. Can you show me your phones? Huh? Where's your phones? What? Where's your phones? Ma'am, you're just here watching TV? Are you? Are you gonna help me? Yeah? What are you gonna show me? Where are you going, ma'am? Oh boy, you're gonna start a fight with me now? Man, you better don't go behind the counter. Oh boy! Are you gonna start a fight? Ah, no! Oh, jeez. I don't want to fight. Oh! Oh boy. Yeah! Ma'am, you can't run out of the store. You own the shop. Where are you going? Vivian. Can you go back in? And there goes a DS. Where are you hiding? You left the store. Vivian, you can't just leave the store. You gotta go back. You gotta go back. You gotta go back to work, man. Let's go back to the store. Come on. Let's go back. Go ahead, let's go back. You wanna go back to the store? Let's go back. We gotta go back. You gotta go back to work. Where are you going? Okay, Vivian, say bye-bye. Turn around and say bye-bye. Right here, this way. Bye-bye.